Welcome to our guide on the best minimalist PC cases of 2023. In the ever-evolving landscape of PC builds, minimalism is a design choice that's gaining traction. Today, we'll delve into sleek and understated cases that offer clean aesthetics and functional simplicity. Join us as we explore the top recommendations in minimalist PC cases. The NZXT H9 Flow emerges as our top pick for the best overall minimalist PC case. Renowned for its premium quality and minimalist aesthetic, NZXT delivers a standout chassis with the H9 Flow. This mid-tower case is a manifestation of sophistication and functionality. Supporting up to ATX motherboards and accommodating graphics cards of up to 435mm in length, the H9 Flow strikes a perfect balance between form and function. Boasting an exquisite design, best-in-class cable management, and exceptional thermal performance, the H9 Flow sets a high benchmark for minimalist cases. Its compatibility with multiple cooling configurations, including space for up to three 360mm radiators, offers enthusiasts the canvas to craft elaborate custom cooling solutions. While it leans toward the higher end in terms of pricing, the NZXT H9 Flow stands as a testament to quality craftsmanship, making it an ideal choice for those seeking the pinnacle of PC case design and functionality. With its sleek aesthetics and impressive features, the H9 Flow from NZXT reigns supreme as the ultimate choice for a minimalist yet high-performing PC case. Coming in as a strong contender for our top recommendations, we have the Corsair 5000D Airflow, earning its place as our runner-up choice. Corsair delivers elegance and functionality with the 5000D Airflow. Its minimalist yet striking design emphasizes ample internal space and efficient cooling capabilities. This case boasts a spacious interior, accommodating multiple fans or liquid cooling setups, including dual 360mm radiators. The perforated front panel maximizes airflow while maintaining a quiet profile in other areas. With an emphasis on ease of installation and superior thermal performance, the Corsair 5000D Airflow exemplifies a premium yet minimalistic PC case. Its thoughtful design, complemented by included Corsair blowers and comprehensive dust filters, ensures a clean and cool system. For those seeking a blend of sophistication, functionality, and outstanding build quality, the Corsair 5000D Airflow stands as a solid choice, securing its place as a top contender in the realm of minimalist PC cases. If you're searching for a compact and stylish PC case that doesn't compromise on performance, the Phanteks Evolv Shift XT is an excellent choice. Designed for mini IDX motherboards, this case boasts a sleek and compact form factor made of premium 3mm thick anodized aluminum panels. It's a part of the renowned Evolv series from Phanteks, known for its outstanding build quality and elegant design. Despite its compact size, the Evolv Shift XT offers impressive support for high-performance components. It can accommodate large 3-slot GPUs up to 324mm in length, providing ample space for robust graphics cards. Furthermore, its built-in PCIe X16 Gen 4 riser cable ensures that your hardware operates at peak efficiency. What sets this case apart is its flexibility in tailoring cooling solutions to suit your preferences. It can be extended to adjust cooling performance, supporting either two 120/140mm fans or a 240 AIO liquid cooler. The removable radiator bracket and well-thought-out component layout make the building process hassle-free, even in a small form factor. Another highlight is the integrated DRGB infinity mirror with built-in lighting effects. Not only does it enhance the aesthetics, but it can also be expanded or synchronized with other system components, allowing for customizable lighting experiences. The Phanteks Evolv Shift XT stands out as an ideal choice for users seeking a compact, premium quality case without sacrificing performance or aesthetics, making it an excellent addition to any minimalist PC build.
Hi there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the gorgeous, compact S100 micro tower case. Constructed with modern steel, the S100 is the pinnacle of sophisticated elegance when it comes to micro case design. The case is 411mm high, 220mm wide, and 441mm deep. Due to its compact size, this is an incredibly versatile case, able to fit in all sorts of setups, even if they're cramped. Coming in both a sleek black and snowy white edition, this case can effortlessly look good anywhere, whether it's in a professional office space or even in the entertainment center in your living room. There is one 4mm thick tempered glass hinge door located on the left side of the case. This type of glass is more durable and scratch resistant than standard acrylic and gives you a stunning view of all your components. The case comes with a single pre-installed 120mm standard rear fan. Due to its micro size, this case only supports up to an MATX board, but that doesn't mean you have to skip out on hardware. This case is incredibly easy to run all sorts of different configurations inside, whether you want to build with a fancy AIO or just run your standard stock air cooler. You can run a CPU cooler with a max height of 165mm and a graphics card of up to 313mm in length. Additionally, you can also mount up to two 140mm fans and even one 200mm fan at the top of the case. You can also fit a radiator of up to 280mm at both the front or top of the case. The S100 features a built-in ventilated PSU shroud aiding you with airflow as well as giving you a handy place to hide all your cables. On top of this, the S100 supports standard power supplies, so no need to worry about buying an SFX power supply. It also comes with a magnetic fan filter on the top of the case and additional filtration at the bottom to protect against dirt and dust. There is a handy drive bay tucked in under your PSU shroud, which can fit 2 hard drives or 2 SSDs. This bay can also be moved to fit your needs, such as if you're needing extra space for a fan. There are 2 mounting locations for your SSDs at the back of the case, which can also be moved around to the front if you need more space out back or if you just want to show them off. Lastly, your front I/O port comes with 1 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0 ports, all in easy to access locations. So if a full tower case just isn't for you, but you're over your gaming laptop not being able to run graphically intensive games, then building your dream PC in the S100 is a great solution. Combining a sophisticated, elegant style with a compact, versatile size, you are sure to have the perfect setup for gaming, office work, and everything else in between.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.